How scary is a Stryker to be a laser-amp, missile-armed drone killer? The Army Stryker has demonstrated a new capability to destroy incoming mortar and artillery fire with a 50 kW laser gun called a high-energy laser gun. Washington, D.C. destroying drones with Hellfire missiles, moving infantry close to the enemy at high speed, burning helicopters with laser guns, and firing 30mm airbursts at enemy troops and armored vehicles are just a few newer missions that can be performed by the U.S. Army Stryker vehicle. The 8x8 wheeled infantry carrier has proven itself in combat over the decades and is evolving into a range of increasingly lethal combat variants and platforms. While there are many distinguishing elements of Stryker vehicles, one of its main attributes is mobility. As a wheeled vehicle, the Stryker can move at a faster speed than tracked platforms and support moving infantry to make contact with the enemy. In recent years, the Stryker platform has been armed with what the Army calls the SHORAD Maneuver, for short-range air defense. Recognizing that the Army was transitioning from counter-insurgency to a strategic posture of high-power warfare, the service added integrated counter-air capabilities to the Stryker and armed it with Stinger missiles and Hellfire killer drones and helicopters. Building on the SHORAD, the Army has since developed the lethal Stryker and armed the vehicle with an air-detonating 30mm cannon as well as a laser gun.